Hi guys, welcome to this new video on my channel. Today I have a quick video about the 2075 Traxxas servo. So this morning I was driving my Slash and the servo just stopped working. It was after a crash, so I thought I had destroyed the gears, but I didn't hear it moving. So I took it apart and all the gears were fine. And I started searching on the internet. I have seen some people on forums saying it can be the fuse. So I thought let's make a video about this. So what I'm going to do, I will show a picture in the screen now. At the moment it is already been done. So I will show a picture in the screen now. There is a red circle around the fuse. And if your servo just died randomly, it can be the fuse. And that is this part that is marked in the red circle. If you have a newer version of the Traxxas 2075 servo, it can be that this fuse isn't on the servo because the latest versions don't have this fuse. Mine is a really old version because it has the green circuit board. If you have a newer one, you have a blue circuit board. But if the servo is broken, maybe it's worth it to look if your servo has a fuse, and if it has a fuse, to try this, because it can save you a lot of money. So what you have to do, you have to desolder the fuse. So put your soldering iron onto it until it lets go, and you can take it off with a pair of pliers. And then you just solder a little bit of tin onto it. If you have done that, it's time to test the servo. So first test, it's hooked up to my receiver and it's soldered on. As you see a bit of solder, and let's see if it works. As you can see, it works. It was going by itself because the potentiometer wasn't connected. If it's going by itself, you have to check the potentiometer because it's set in the wrong position. So I hope I helped you out with this video. If you have any questions, feel free to ask them in the comments. Please leave a like, subscribe, and I hope I will see you in the next video.